I am Bruce. This is my first video of the channel and we're gonna start off with something all of us verily hate and wish it never existed to bother us. Yes, I'm talking about time. So what is time? Well, complicatedly, time is the indefinite continued progress of existence and events that occur in apparently irreversible succession from the past through the present to the future. Well, forget that shit. Time is something which lasts longer in the examination hall and boring maths class and lasts shorter when you're sleeping. That is indeed true. But actually, through the ordinary perspective, time is merely a tool to mark each of the events that are occurring in our lives. And time did exist long before we realized it through sand clocks, pendulums and the sundials. The current estimation for the age of the universe is 14 billion years. But what before that? Didn't time exist before the beginning of the universe? You might say, oh, there was God and all that, but what did they do? Couldn't they have experienced time too? Speaking of which, time has been regarded many of times in various religions as too. For example, in the Christian scripture Psalm 144:4 which reads, "Man is like a mere breath, his days are like a passing shadow." And again in Job 8:9, which quotes, "For we are only of yesterday and know nothing, because our days on earth are as a shadow." I really don't know where this goes, but it seems more like our civilization has only existed since an extremely small time frame. And that is actually true. For humans, as we know, have only subsisted for a tiny grain of time, compared to the universe. Okay, let's put it in another way. The Earth is 4.6 billion years old, let's scale it to 46 years. Therefore, we've been here for only 4 hours. Our industrial evolution began just 1 minute ago, and in that time we've already destroyed more than 50% of the forests. And made our only home look like a junkyard of stupids. Congratulations, that is so awesome. As you can see, humans have only passed a miniature amount of time in existence. However, can time cease to exist? Can time end too? You've probably seen many videos on YouTube concerning this topic, or maybe not. I don't care, I'm going to tell you about it anyway. Singularity is where time realizes how unimportant it is and commits suicide due to inherent meaninglessness of being. Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. You see, I can also be very funny. In reality, gravitational singularity is a goddamn place where the general laws of physics don't apply. It's a point or region of infinite mass density at which space and time are infinitely distorted by gravitational forces, and which is held to be the final state of matter falling into a black hole. Therefore, in a black hole, time slows down. If you ever enter a black hole, you're probably gonna be stuck in there for the rest of your life while billions of years pass by in a matter of few moments. Time in this place is just brutalized. So doesn't that mean time exists and doesn't exist at the same time? Possibly. It is believed by many that the so-called time only exists in the third dimension, which is the reality we live in. In the fourth dimension you can conceive any moment of time that did or will ever exist. You simply become a time travel machine out of yourself. However, more of this in another video. Now back to time. It's been scientifically proven that when you move you experience more time than when you sit back on your ass and do absolutely nothing. This is because gravity affects time. In our planet it is unnoticeable. Most people would assume that time is a strict progression, of course, but I just showed you, it isn't, from a non-objective view. So yeah, time is just a stubborn illusion marking this imperfect reality you live in. Next time when someone tells you, "You're wasting your time," smack it on their face. You're not, because time is continuous in another parallel reality. Thank you for watching this video. I just tried to explain to you a perspective of time. Really, I don't care if you didn't understand. Goodbye. See you in the next video, below.